everyone's on the run. Everyone has limited amount of time to prepare a dish. So when it comes to dishes that are quick, oftentimes for me, it is about what we have already in the refrigerator. It is a stir fry of some sort. It is some vegetable, a little rice, or it could be noodles, a little chicken, shrimp. Make a sauce, bring it together, quickly, done, easy. A couple things that I always have on hand is definitely vinegars. I love all vinegars. So you'll probably see a mixed champagne, balsamic, like a really good aged balsamic, some type of cheese, whether it's goat's milk cheese or a pecorino romano. Fish sauce is my jam. It goes in everything. Lime, lemons, a sea salt for finishing. All of those are things that just really add to the dish, especially like a chili crunch. Everyone loves a nice little chili oil or some crispy chilies to add to the dish. Delish.
Watch the series now on KERA Passport. Support for the Great American Recipe comes from Visit Plano.